Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a secret code of Tcl TV that many people and technician doesn't know. This code is very useful and the code is 062598. It will work with a combination of other codes I will share later in the video. So guys, if you change the panel of a Tcl TV, its panel is broken, and when you change it to some other panel you may find that its screen is inverted or screen is rotated downwards. So in order to fix this we have to find a combination of codes that will work with it, and there are also many things you can do with this code that you have not heard before. So please watch the video complete, don't skip any part, and remember to subscribe our channel, like the video. Also one important thing, that be careful in using these codes, because if you put wrong code you may find your TV black screen or something like that. I will discuss in the video later. So viewers, first of all I will tell you that how you can use this code, which type of remotes you can use. You are watching that on the left side, it is a smart remote with numeric keypad. This will work. On the right side of your screen, you are watching that this is only smart remote and have not numeric keypad. So this will not work. And also the conventional numeric keyboard will not work. You have to press this key for menu, because this key is not present in conventional remotes. This key is available in only smart remote. Guys, the code range from 001 to 199. These all have different actions, so we will check them one by one. Guys, I am sharing you the checked codes. So for the logo change you have to press 062598 plus menu plus 050. After pressing this code your TV will restart and the TV displays the Thomson logo. Also there are different logos with other codes. You can try them one by one. Now viewer, if you wrongly press or you press 062598 plus menu plus 013 code, 013 guys, it will completely black out your TV. Your TV will show only black or blank screen, nothing else. So how we can get out of this? To get display back we will press 062598 plus menu plus 036. Yes, we were 036 is the code that will get the display back. Now the next code I will share is to rotate the screen. Press the following code, viewers: 062598 plus menu plus 118. This code will rotate the screen upwards, and if you have downward screen it will fix it. You can search for any code ranging from 001 to 199 for mapping. So if you have mapping problem like this, you can try the codes one by one, or you can simply fix this problem in the T-cone of the panel. Many T-cones have come with a setting that you can use a jumper, then your display will be okay. I am sharing a screenshot of a T-cone. It is of 32 inches. Here you can solder these 2 points to fix LVDS mapping problem. Now guys, if you press any code and you find that your TCL remote is not working, then you have to use a universal remote. Any universal remote will work. Universal remote look like this as you are watching on the screen. So guys, hope this video helps. Kindly like it, and in case of any query ask in comment section. I will be happy to reply you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.